coding has paid off for 2025. Yeah, you can imagine I have wiped out 281,548 lines of code, and all this has gone to production. Yeah, I sent 340 messages in building, and I have done it for over 5 months, I think, which counts 9,385 hours of coding. Yeah, I think I'm topping the list in Uganda. Yes, I'm among the 1%, top 1% that have visited Lovable and used it to the purpose. Yeah, that's my politeness score, 9 out of 10. Why not 10 out of 10? So actually, we built an app that is Sabtech online website that is currently running with a lot of stuff. Go there and check. So the app has got 4K views, and this is the summary. Thank you, 2025, and I welcome you, 2026. We are waiting. Okay, to those who have accessed Sabtech online website or portal, and you have seen this course. This is the course that we are starting in Jan. That is Power BI for beginners. So this is it. So you can come and access it from here. So the early bird would be at approximately $120. So go ahead and enroll. But you will not be able to enroll if you haven't logged in. So I'll go ahead and first log in the portal. You can, if you have never logged in the portal, you can sign up first. So I'll go ahead and log in so after logging in, then I'll be able to go to courses, then review course again, then you're able to enroll, and boom, you'll have the course ready here after your enrollment, and we shall kick off on 27th of January 2026. Meet you there.